Hi, my name is Brian McCullough with the Standard Pour in Dallas, Texas. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect vodka margarita, which is a nice little twist on the classic margarita. We're going to start out putting some ice in our shaker tin, and we're going to do 2 ounces of vodka. Next, we're going to do 1 ounce of dry Curacao, which is a brandy-based orange liqueur. With vodka, you're not going to get as much flavor as you would with the tequila, so the extra flavor from the Curacao really helps it out. Now we're going to use some fresh lime juice, 1 ounce. Always use fresh lime juice. Then we're going to give this a good shake. Okay. Now the salted rim is a preference, but for this, I think we're going to give it a little salted rim with some lime juice, some salt, some coarse kosher salt or sea salt. Don't use the table salt; it's too salty. Okay, we're going to strain this into our glass. Now we're going to give this 2 garnishes. One's going to be a fresh orange peel, which we're going to spritz right over the top of the cocktail. Okay? Then also we're just going to throw a little lime wheel on top of there. And there you have it, the perfect vodka margarita. Thanks for watching.